Welcome to Dubai. This was our first day in the city and we started it off with a full city tour to see as much as we could right away. Dubai is huge, modern, and full of amazing buildings, and it was perfect way to kick off the trip. We drove around the city and got to see some of the famous sights, from the tall skyscrapers to the busy streets and beautiful waterfront areas. Everything here feels big and over the top, and there's always something to look at. Later that night, we went to the Dubai Marina for a night show, and it ended up being one of the coolest parts of the day. The whole marina lit up after dark, and we watched an incredible drone light show in the sky. The drones moved together to make shapes and pictures over the water, with the skyline all lit up behind them. Not a bad way to spend our first day in Dubai and a great start to the trip. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!